Dear students, today we'll start the elimination reactions that is taking place in case of alkyl halide. That is elimination reaction, that is dehydrohalogenation reaction. That is removal of hydrogen and halogen from adjacent position. That is beta elimination, you can say, because the beta hydrogen atom that is eliminated, that is dehydrohalogenation. D means removal of hydrogen and halogen. Removal of hydrogen and halogen, that is dehydrohalogenation reaction, that is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction, dehydrohalogenation, that is elimination reaction, beta elimination. For example, that is CH3, CH2, Cl, that is ethyl chloride. So the chlorine atom is attached to this carbon atom, that is named as alpha, and this is the beta carbon atom, that is containing beta hydrogen atom. Beta carbon atom contain beta hydrogen atom. So that has been treated with KOH, alcoholic KOH. So Ka part and Cl part, that is removed in the form of KCl. OH part, H part, that is removed in the form of water. So there is the formation of CH2, double bond CH2 plus KCl plus water. So there is the formation of alkene, and this process that is known as dehydrohalogenation, that is removal of hydrogen from this point, or you will write down this reaction in this manner: CH2H bond CH2Cl, same CH3 bond CH2Cl, H and Cl, that is removed in the form of, that is KCl, OH and H. One bond is short, so we have to insert a double bond in this case. So that process that is known as dehydrohalogenation. If we will take the other kind of this example, CH3 bond CH, Cl bond CH3, that has been treated KOH alcoholic. This is the chlorine atom that is attached to this alpha carbon atom, and this is beta dash or beta carbon atom. Beta carbon atom containing hydrogen atom, beta hydrogen atom, beta elimination. So the reaction that takes place, KCl, OH and H, that is removed in the form of water. So there is the formation of OH part and H part, that is removed in the form of water. K and Cl, that is removed in the form of water. We have to insert a double bond here. So the product will be CH3 bond CH, double bond CH2 bond KCl plus water. Then the formation of propene, either we can take beta hydrogen atom from this carbon atom, or beta hydrogen atom from this carbon atom. If we take beta hydrogen atom from this, we have to insert double bond here, same, that is your propene. So alkyl halides that react with that is alcoholic KOH. So there is the formation of alkene. The alkene so formed, that is ethane or propane, depending upon that alkyl halide we have taken. But if we take this type of example, CH3 bond CH2 bond CH, that is Cl bond CH3 plus KOH, that is alcoholic. What will happen? CH3 bond CH2 bond CHCl bond CH3. So in this case, there is a chance of formation of different kind of product, K plus OH minus, that is alpha carbon atom, beta carbon atom, chlorine atom that is removed from this alpha carbon atom, chlorine that is removed from this alpha carbon atom, but hydrogen atom that is removed from that, this beta hydrogen atom is removed, or this beta hydrogen atom is removed. If this beta hydrogen atom is removed, then double bond will be inserted in this case. Chlorine is removed from this position. A beta hydrogen atom that is removed from this carbon atom, then double bond will be inserted at this position. So there is a chance of formation of either but 1Ne or but 2Ne. So if we will take the example of that 2-chloro, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2-chloro, 2-chlorobutane. This is the formula for that 2-chloro. 2-chlorobutane. If this compound that has been treated with alkali KOH, then the chance of formation of two different type of alkene. Chlorine atom that is removed from this carbon atom, alpha carbon atom, and hydrogen atom that is removed either from this beta hydrogen atom or from this beta hydrogen atom. So hydrogen atom that is removed from this beta hydrogen atom or from this beta hydrogen atom. If this is removed from this chlorine from this carbon atom, but if the hydrogen atom that is removed from this beta hydrogen atom, then double bond will be here. That is there the formation of but2Ne. If beta hydrogen atom is removed from this carbon atom, then double bond will be here. Then there is the formation of that but1Ne. but2Ne, there is the formation of but2Ne or but that is 1ene. In this case, chlorine atom from this carbon atom, hydrogen from this one, double bond here. That is but2Ne. And if hydrogen atom is removed from this carbon atom, then double bond will be here. That is but1Ne. So there is the formation of either but1Ne or but2Ne, but this product that will be about 80%. And this product is about that 20%. This is 80%, this is your 20%. And this is, that is you can say that is Sedgef's product. Sedgef's product. That is your Sedgef's product. You know, the more alkylated alkene or the alkene in which double bond occurs at higher position. In this case, double bond occurs at 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond occurs at position 1. In this case, double bond that occurs at position 2. So but2Ne or in this case but1Ne. More alkylated alkene or the alkene in which double bond occurs at higher position, that is the predominant or major product, that is known as Sedgef's rule. Because more alkylated alkene that contain 6 beta, that is alpha hydrogen atoms, 6 alpha hydrogen atoms, which gives more number of no bond resonance, or that is hyper conjugated structure, giving more stability to that species. Among these two, but2Ne is more stable because this is more alkylated, which contain more number of alpha hydrogen atom, which gives more number of no bond resonance or hyper conjugated structure. There is the presence of 6 alpha hydrogen atom, but in this case there is the presence of only 2 alpha hydrogen atom. So this is more stable. That is 80%, this is about 20%, or you can say this is your Sedgef's product. Then what is that Sedgef's rule? Whenever there is a chance of formation of different kind of alkene by dehydrohalogenation process, the more alkylated alkene or the alkene in which double bond occurs at higher position is the predominant or major product. That is Sedgef's rule. That double bond occurs at higher position, in this case 1, in this case 2, higher position, or more alkylated that contains 6 number of alpha hydrogen atom. This is less alkylated, only that contain ethyl group, where there is the presence of only 2 alpha hydrogen atom. So this is regarding dehydrohalogenation, that is elimination reactions of, that is alkyl halide to form alkene. Next we will see the ellotrophilicity substitution reactions that is taking place in case of chlorobenzene. So the presence of halogen in the benzene ring, presence of halogen in the benzene ring, that is minus I group, that is electron withdrawing group. So that will withdraw electron from the ring, or that will decrease electron density in the ring. But because of resonance, but because of conjugation, benzene ring, chlorine atom that contains lone pair of electron. So this electron cloud that is shifted towards the ring. So two incident that takes place, that is inductive effect and resonance that takes place in opposite direction. Resonance that increases electron density in the ring because chlorine atom that contains lone pair of electron, but chlorine atom, that is the example of that minus I group, which will withdraw the electron from the ring, that will decrease electron density in the ring. In this case, the chlorine atom electron withdrawing group. Therefore, the presence of halogens in the benzene ring is electron withdrawing groups, that is minus I groups, that is the reaction that is taking place in this case, electrophilic substitution reaction, which will withdraw the electron from the ring, that is electron withdrawing groups, and because of resonance, electron density that increases in the ring. Two incident that takes place in the opposite direction. Then what will happen? So the halogens are treated as ortho-para directors, but ring deactivators. So ortho-para director means they will increase electron density, particularly at ortho and para position. We will see regarding that resonating structure. But ring deactivators, because they will withdraw electron from that ring. So it will draw the resonating structures of this chlorobenzene. Lone pair of electron is shifted to bond is shifted to next atom. Lone pair electron is shifted to bond, then the formation of double bond is shifted to next atom. Negative charge is shifted to bond is shifted to next atom. Negative charge shifted to bond is shifted to next atom. So because of this minus I nature, that will withdraw the electron from that ring, that will decrease the electron density in the ring. Therefore, these are treated as ring deactivators. But what for these are ortho-para directors? You will write down this resonating structure for that chlorobenzene. You will mark at the ortho position, at the para position, and at the ortho position the negative charge, that is electron density that becomes more. Comparatively, the electron density that becomes more at the ortho with respect to the chlorine, ortho position, with respect to chlorine, para position, with respect to chlorine, that is ortho position. So electron density that becomes more at ortho and para position. Therefore, that is ortho-para directors, means that will direct the incoming electrophile, to enter at ortho and para position. They will direct the incoming electrophile to enter at ortho and para position. So if you write down different reactions of this kind, that is chlorobenzene that has been treated Cl2 in presence of FeCl3, or that has been treated H2, HNO3 and H2SO4 nitration, or that is treated with sulfuric acid only, H2SO4, or that has been treated with CH3Cl in presence of AlCl3, or that is CH3COCl in presence of AlCl3. So in this case, in the first case, the electrophile is Cl plus. In the second case, electrophile is NO2 plus. In this case, electrophile is SO3, sulfonation. In this case, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, electrophile is CH3 plus. In this case, electrophile is CH3CO plus, that is acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, this is a sulfonation, nitration, and this is the chlorination. Then what are the products that is produced? What will be the products? So mark this in this case, halogens. If you write down this resonative structures of this chlorobenzene, electron density that becomes more at ortho, para, and ortho position. So ortho and para position that acquires negative charge means electrophile which are positively charged, they will get directed to enter at ortho position, para position, or ortho position. Means the electrophile NO2 plus in the case of nitration, or Cl plus in case of chlorination, or CH3 plus in case of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, or CH3CO plus in case of Friedel-Crafts acylation, or SO3 in case of sulfonation will get directed to enter at ortho and para position. So what are the products that will be found? What will be the products? So in this case, Cl, ortho dichloro or para dichloro product, that is Cl. Ortho dichloro product or para dichloro product will be found. Nitration, that is Cl, NO2, orthonitro, chlorobenzene or paranitro, Cl, NO2. That is NO2 plus will get directed to ortho position or para position. Sulfonation, that is sulfonation, same SO3H group, that is Cl, SO3H. So CH3 group will get directed to ortho position and para position. Acyl group CO, CH3, that is your acyl group, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation, that is CH3CO plus, that is electrophile will get directed to ortho position or to the para position. So this is regarding the electrophilic substitution reactions, electrophilic substitution reactions that is taking place in case of, that is chlorobenzene. So chlorine in the benzening, that is orthopara deactivating and ring deactivating. Orthopara deactivating what for? Because of conjugation, resonance takes place, electron density that becomes more at ortho and para position. Therefore electrophiles Cl plus in case of chlorination, NO2 plus in case of nitration, SO3 in case of sulfonation, or CH3 plus in case of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, or CH3CO plus in case of, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation, will get directed to ortho or para position. In all these cases, that the entry of, that is electrophile to ortho and para position. So this is regarding the electrophilic substitution reactions. Very important question here, that is halogens, that is X, that may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. That is halogens. Halogens are orthopara directors but ring deactivators. Orthopara directors but ring deactivators. The reason is halogens are more electronegative elements, they will withdraw electron from the ring. That means they will decrease electron density in the ring so that electrophile cannot easily attack to the ring. Then what for that is orthopara directors? Because of conjugation, the electron density that becomes more at ortho and parabosal. That means negative charge that occurs at ortho and parabosal. So that is regarding electrophilic substitution reactions that is taking place in case of that is benzene.